What's up, man? 4-ton truck here. I got me a new truck, and I'm dipping with my buddy. We're dipping Grizzly straight.
What's up, guys?
This guy here is Joey. He's my buddy. Hold on, Joey, take it. Got some Grizzly straight. Been cracked, got dipped in. See. Got me a new truck. I got me a 85 F250 with a 3-to-1 Windsor, 4-wheel drive, Danish 60 rear end, and they got the independent suspension diff in the front. You guys see that in there? Yeah, you guys will see it soon enough once I get it on the road and shit. Joe's buying a C10, hopefully, after his taxes, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's fucking sexy. What year is it? Tell him about the truck.
It's 84, 305 manual. Automatic. That's about it.
$700 Ford tranny.
And it's only $500.
$500. Can't beat that. No. How many miles on it?
150,000. Yeah.
Mine's got like 177 on the body, and then on the motor it's got 75,000.
The body's 150. The motor is new.
In your truck?
Mm-hmm.
What's his number? I thought you had his number.
Email.
Did you email him?
Mm-hmm.
I looked for it last time online, couldn't find it.
You have to search up C10.
I did. I'll show you where my iPod, but my iPod's downstairs. Not shit you can do there.
Mm-hmm.
Got my boots on. My boots. I love his boots. Just got off work. Fucking bitch. Injectors, bullshit.
Hey, Grandma. Dad, look who it is.
Yeah, so, dip's pretty good. Dip's pretty good. We'll put the truck on the road. I'll make a dip video in the truck with him.
Yep.
And then we'll go mudding or something and videotape it and do dumb shit like yell at people and typical shit. So yeah.
Typical James shit.
Yeah, typical me. So yeah, guys. Peace.
See ya, man.